Are you a student, business owner, tech enthusiast, or someone that just needs some assistance in the area of technology? itdesk.tv is a gold mine for you. Now we address all your technology questions and your needs. Computers, phones, coding, the troubleshooting software issues. It's like having your own personal IT expert at your fingertips. If you have a question, just ask here on any of the videos. An agent will respond at no cost to you. Welcome to the IT Desk community.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know that Antoine is in Jamaica. Yeah, he's trying to take a vacation, but yeah, to get out of our business, but yeah. I have my boy ready to take him out, don't worry. All good, don't worry. Yes. Beautiful.
Welcome home.
It's been a minute, sis.
Welcome. You like the place?
Yo, I love this. Sis, you're doing good, man.
Thank you.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, man.
Damn. I gotta come here more often.
You better do.
Hey, I love this.
So, all the time where you're going, I'm married yet?
I ain't
No.
married. No. You see, like, it's crazy over there. Like, with work and all, like, it's straight bills and work. I had no time for that.
Oh.
So I'm just
So you have to
inside.
go find one real Jamaican woman out here then?
I don't know. Hopefully, like, I'm just hoping to find somebody. Like, let's do this. I think it's really
You
nice.
sure I'm not like your son? You don't want a woman?
Sis, all right. So, could you take time and speak? Like, I'm not understanding fully what you were saying, so just take time with me,
Oh,
please.
this man.
Please.
Bro, remember say out here you're born, you know, you just
I
go over this
know.
to go turn citizen
I
because you did it for
know,
years upon
sis.
years upon years and you use for them kind of
See,
passport.
this is what I'm talking about. You speaking too fast for me. Just slow it down a bit,
All right,
please.
let me cut you down for you. Bro, you find any girl over there yet?
No. Sis, I'm not even looking, but if we out here for a minute and I find someone, then for sure.
I'm not tell no lie, me no family ram. You are my brother, me not look you know, but you look damn good, so me don't know how you there find and find no good woman. I look how much nice sexy girl over there.
Sis,
Oh, you don't want them, you want one Jamaican girl.
Sis, and you don't know women from men over that shit. Like, you had some women looking like crazy ass man, and I don't like that. They putting on these false titties and ass, and they go my Dr. Miami and these shit. I don't like that.
I lie.
Yeah,
So me we find one real woman out here give you.
I trust you, baby.
When me sure say a woman.
I trust you, sis.
Yes.
I trust you. So like let's go get some food. Like,
Anyway.
what happened?
Listen here. You see your dirty brother?
Oh my God.
He over there, so.
He's here?
Me no know if him over there, no, cause guess what? And my brother too, you know, but me not tell no lie. Sometimes me go and like say me and him and nothing.
Oh, man. Y'all still up to
He
those shit?
can beg.
Oh, my God.
Right now, me I tell us if he over there and you go meet him, he start asking for money. He not even glad to see you. He just say, hey, yo, you know the money can't get me. Before he go look work. Make him go look. Me not say enough to give him nothing, your brother. But he beg too much, man.
It's okay. I know how to deal with him. Let me deal with him. I know how to do it.
You couldn't find one of Yankee girl them come give him down here, little dirty rasta boy over there. So I remember brother about me not tell no lie. Me can't put down my flour, my sugar, my rice, nor nothing at all in my house. He come like a rat. Thief!
Damn. I can't be talking about her brother like that.
Yeah, man, and we brother, but you need to know about him because long time you left out of place and you don't know nothing where you going down and jam down. So you need to get it straight. Or you say that means that when you come down here and you put down your money, you put it down on card. You know, put it down cash. Make sure you say the pan card and not make him say you use your PIN number on your card. If you follow your go machine.
Damn.
If you make him follow your go machine at ATM, make him stay outside. Now make him follow you go in there. My brother, but me they want you. I feel your brother, but me they want you. Remember say me know him, you don't know him like that. You don't know say. Are your ma and pa picnic? The whole of we have said ma and said pa, but there are 7 brothers, 7 different men. He come like a pussy, in teeth fingers see me.
Damn,
Me free them, come on. Come we go in, you don't want nothing for them.
Damn, of course I want the dumplings and the
time you no get
mackerel,
them.
like the saltfish. I want all them stuff.
Alright,
I intend to go crazy when I'm out here.
You know me a big chef already. Me cook anything you want.
Hold up. Oh my God, sis. Damn, this is beautiful.
Nice, man.
Damn.
You see the nice view when me
Oh
have
my
yourself?
God.
The only thing when me want you to do is send some money, come give me go and run the business.
Look at this place. Holy shit. I don't think I want to leave right now.
You can stay as long as you want. Anyway, hold on there.
Damn.
See your dirty brother come over there, so and my brother too. But me just make it look that way there. Guess
Oh,
what?
shit.
Me no want to know somebody that tell you about him, so me go in the house go cook.
Okay.
Alright, see him come a treat. So him come in and me say he can beg her. Now tell him what me said. Do
Okay, that's good.
Foreigner love chat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my brother.
Oh, damn.
What's your man, man?
Bro. Oh, damn, man.
Damn, you got dressed.
What you mean, man?
Damn.
Brother.
Oh,
Long
shit.
time me a grow this, you know.
Growing shit.
Bombard, I want to you.
Damn, man.
I saw fine take away here, brother.
It's a cold, bro.
So you move from best and move come here,
swear,
so.
It's the very damn, bro.
That chain to blood, paper.
But look at yours, dog.
Brother,
Damn.
no, them wash over gold, brother. That's cheap. Them free, brother. No, like that.
Bro, you look good, man.
I mean, yo, my day I work out, cause I don't know, so we have to do some construction work.
Damn.
I don't know, I think that.
Bro,
but
bro, man, it's been a minute, man.
That's true, man, that's true.
I swear, like, yo, I'm gonna be here. We gonna hit.
Yeah,
the
man, we gonna
streets,
party,
bro.
man,
We gonna
brother.
do the club.
Yo.
Man, I wanna do some shit.
That's what, yo, man, Antoine. Yo, that me I talk about. You understand me? So I can't really speak like how you speak right now. You know what I mean? But here right now. So one way you carry on.
You know I got some beats, bro. I got you.
I mean beats, what you talking about?
Clothes, man.
Clothes?
We hitting the streets, bro. I ain't going
Yeah, man, come here to say a long time, I don't really.
We gonna
buy some clothes,
be
you know.
killing it, bro.
You sure, sir?
Man, don't worry
Yo,
about
the cologne what you have for you.
Don't worry about shit, bro.
I
I got you.
listen, brother.
I got you. I got you, man.
How much years now you up there, brother?
Yo, it's been over 30 years, bro.
30 years, that's true.
Over 30 years, man.
Bombard,
Damn.
so you say, I meet no feel over there.
That's the same thing sis asked. Man, there's just so many girls. I'm just not into them, bro.
I say,
They don't give me that vibe. That
Yo,
I
let me
don't
tell you
know.
something, man. But it depends on where you look for steady. Because guess what? You see, if you go out some go-go club, some strip club and them something, you find the best girl them there, so. Me I tell you, brother, because them
Sure
free,
about
them
that,
can,
bro.
you mean them talk to you. Hey, alright, first thing is this. You go on go-go club and meet one woman. See? You know, if you first that I'll give her the thing. Because you don't know so that you use and make her thing. You understand me? I say, so you better you eliminate that kind of vibe out your mate from early so you have a better life. I tell you that.
Oh,
Right now, me?
You true.
As we go to work, so I make a $10,000, brother. $4,000 for go go club.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man, I best life, brother.
So where's your female though?
Eh?
Where's your girl?
Yeah, I'm a girl still, but you don't know.
You have
thing,
your girl?
Yeah, man, but
Okay.
that, but you know,
at the end of the day, you know, I'm not really.
You still do your thing.
You can't tell her, I tell her.
Oh, come on, man.
You understand me? I say,
I
gosh,
might
all
not
right.
be here for a minute, but I know the culture.
I'm Makisha.
Hold on. Is that the same slim, sexy ass girl that we
Yeah,
was
man.
fighting over when we was here earlier?
No, never fight. Myself, she went and said she want me.
Or that's
And
how
then-
you remember it?
Yeah, man.
That's
but
not
I
how
feel
the
go
story
find.
really went, though.
So, you ain't got.
We was kind of.
You ain't joking?
Hey, look,
Me ask you a
I just
question,
came.
brother. You
I
joking?
just came,
You ain't
man.
joking?
Let's just take this view in, bro.
Say-
Like, this place is crazy, man. We ain't going there.
You sure never
We
joking?
ain't going there, bro. We not going there. Come on, man.
All right, physical. I
Come
check
on,
each other.
man.
But all right, yo, you can't make no girls look vex you, come on, brother.
What?
Eh?
What's up? What's up?
Brother, I said she dangerous, in the man.
That was quick.
I mean, she, yo, you can't party her because she chat too much. Cause I between me still, me not really gonna go club. And so I make myself look hype and thing. Brother, you wanna stress me up, my lad. Me can't come out of the house. Me can't left. It's like me.
man.
And then she know and she.
I'm coming, sis.
She and she turn good friend. But yo, we talk about that idea, man.
Bro.
Feel?
So what we doing for the remainder of the day? What we doing tonight? We hooking up tonight.
Settle the man, and
Nah, man.
give me
I
what
wanna
you
hit
can
this-
come give me and then we see
I
how
ain't got no
far.
problems with that,
Come
bro.
on, brother.
Let's go. I'm coming, sis.
Come, me share out your food already.
Sis. What happened?
Just sit down right there, so me soon make you go inside go eat your food.
Okay.
And where you want now, Bobby?
He can't get some of the food?
You can get some, but no. You are the visitor. A long time we not see over at how much you come first. Him have to wait.
Okay.
So me soon can talk to you. Me make just talk to him a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, me go give him some of my food. Are you dirty Bobby? No matter make we brother come after 30 years now, you know, come here say we are dirty nigga, you know, and we not agree, you know. You're not getting none of my food, you know. You're not getting none of my food, you
I'm
know.
giving her food.
You
Hold up,
know
hold
and me.
hold
Me
up.
come in, bro.
Y'all are talking
You-
too fast.
No,
I
yes.
can't-
and,
y'all are talking that I can't
Yeah, we
even
mix-
understand.
Me mix carrot juice to your inside. I eat we are talk about.
Oh, that's what y'all talking
but
about?
Him not like carrot juice. Me I'll give him some little sugar water with lime.
Okay.
You're not getting nothing from me, Finian. You're too wicked. Me
Okay.
lend me money and you take it go give girl and when I come back to me for food, Finian, you're a wicked one before me and fight out. Because I not one thing you know say we are live bad. John go over. Dirty Bobby, you think me not joking with you every minute you come borrow money from me and not give me? Yes, hello, bro. What going?
Man,
It's all right. Yo, brother.
What make it,
where
Bobby?
you going?
Look at mama check you. Look at mama check you. Know yourself, man. See?
So, you're not staying for the food?
Nah.
No, him a go do something. Remember me saying if something down the road, go and feed for me.
Yo, bro, immediately after we finish, we hitting the bar, though. We gonna have some drinks. Cool?
Yes. When we done yam, you can come back. You not have to come now.
Everything good, man. Yo, Antoine, later me check you. Yes, sir. Know yourself, man.
Okay, Bobby.
Hurry up, go and go take up his something when me tell you to go take up down the road. Go and feed.
How you going for something?
Eh?
You going for something?
Yeah, he going down the road to pick up something for me.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Okay, so where's the food, though?
The food inside, so make we go wash your hand.
Oh, okay.
Mm. No, Antoine. See pipe
Oh,
over here. so.
oh, my bad.
Yes,
My bad.
no problem. When you finish wash your hand, we can go inside, go yam.
This is why I let your crazy ass be. You don't listen to me. Oh man, I can't do this. Stop. Just please. I'm asking you to just stop. Stop. Oh my God. You keep stressing me. And when you stress me, I can't maneuver the jungle focusly. I need to gather my thoughts to provide the bag for us. But you're not doing that, B. You keep telling telling me stuff and being all I hate that. I need a break, yo. Look, I need a break. I gotta go. I'ma call you later, though. Damn, B. She be acting up, man.
How you talking?
Man, don't trip. It's just one of my girls from over there.
Bobby, which party I go? Come go wash up your plate then.
Where for you? Somebody wash up my plate. Me live in your yard.
You see why me never want to give him no nice food? This is the same thing why me and him can't agree.
Y'all need to stop. Y'all are brothers and sisters, yo. Stop.
Brothers and sisters right now, him look like I say my jacket. He look like me and you and him don't relate it. I just me alone and brother and sister.
Word.
Because him a come hype up in dirty self. And every time he do it, he come over me yard, come near out me food, use me food, cook this, use plate, use pot and everything and left in dirty thing them for me wash them. Tell me if that fair. That not right, man.
You bugging. Stop.
Me not like how he staying too nasty.
Yo, sis, you funny as hell. Y'all need a show, I swear.
And I first seen behave so, you know, my friend them come on me yard and he come here and come exalt himself and exalt himself and act like the things them in my house of him and he take and cook and when they near man done, the whole of them gone and the plate they don't wash, you know.
Oh, that's crazy.
And me have to turn on wash
That's
it.
crazy.
Look here. They say our brother. You see? But you see, to the way him a behave, he come like me have to go disown him, you know. Because I don't want nobody come take me feed that, you know. Me and Bobby, no they know. I'm a brother. And he act like I use him, want to use me for one and little dirty foot girl them.
Oh, man. Y'all mosquitoes are killing me. I swear.
You can put cursing oil on your foot and then we come off. Want something out there named cursing oil? You can put it on your foot.
Say what now?
Rub it on your foot and kill the mosquito there. Me and your brother, me not do nothing. Rub it cursing oil on your foot. Me see people have lice in their head, want something named lice. Want like a bug, want something named lice. And then put cursing oil in their head and the whole of lice them drop out. Yeah, then dead. Then a cursing oil is good something for you to kill lice.
Is that what y'all
mosquito.
call fungus? Like we call
No.
that fungus, eh?
Want something named lice.
Oh.
Well, living in your hair, upon your head.
Ooh. That
People
sounds
use cursing oil on their
painful.
head and kill out the lice them. Because it's where them a sell in the place. In a place, some place down, so I don't remember what name. That not good for kill lice. They put lice in you have lice in your head, they put cursing oil on it and the whole of them dead out.
Oh, okay.
They can rub it on your foot for your mosquito them.
That's crazy.
Me not even want to talk about that because them a mosquito are idiot. Me and them are no friend. You
That's
see dirty
crazy.
Bobby, you better warn him. You hear me I tell you? Warn him because he need to stop come over me yard, go on yam and leave the things them dirty for me, go back go wash them. Me I know him slave and me I know him girl. Me I just his sister.
I'm gonna talk to him.
You need to.
But
You better talk to
But
him.
y'all need to have some form of a mutual understanding with each other. Like y'all are
Understanding. This a boy
blood.
don't understand nobody. All when he understand, he act like he don't understand. And we try to make him overstand. He sit down like him a idiot and he like for years in the area, but he no listen, so he not learn. Every day I see
I
things.
can
And him
say
a big man.
all day you talking about each other.
Him
Y'all are
him a no
crazy.
pick me need to grow up now, man, and act mature.
Y'all
Stop
are
name out me things. Them every
funny.
money you have him take it. I hope you not give him no money, you know. Can beg. Hey, you see, anytime he come up on me yard, come beg me money. Me give me thing, tell me like, oh, when he no feel sick, hungry, or he no soap for washing clothes, and then he take it go place, go buy girl front. Wicked. Some people tell me where they work in a club, because they know say my brother, but him don't know say them know me.
Oh, crazy. That's crazy.
I hope he know over here they begging no money. Me no know when over here so they do. How long? Beg.
I'm a grown ass man. I can take care of myself, sis.
Me know, but if you care to wind up and film, give me, because the one them when you have burn out and wash out and hole in them.
I'm gonna definitely do that.
Give him them because he look like he in the dead face on clothes. Give him. And he hungry. But different friend that tell him same time come me had come him no food, he need to clean up back the place because I unite with him.
I'm gonna talk to him.
I don't want no fly come down palm me no hamster no cockroach. If me follow him, all junker come down palm me can't bother with the nastiness.
It's just
Anyway, come on, because I don't want to see you out there so they turn up too long, they chat up to him. Look, when go give you some little dirty butterfoot girl and me then name out
I
your
thought
money.
it was something you wanted to talk to me about, though.
Yes.
Okay, so
I want to talk to you about it.
Talk to
Thank you for bringing it up to me. If you notice, the place nice, yes, but no guests now come in.
Really nice.
Yes, me have a pool there. I call one man the other day if he come clean out if me fully up back of water, see if I can get in little business to run again. But you
Right.
go take money. You know, say if you want money, you have to spend money. And right now, But I like if you give me some money for the little when I have to start off back in business. And when you go back overseas, you can just tell all of your friends them about the place and make them come.
Oh, that's a good business.
Because big things are going on for you
That's a
know.
good business, like I direct them
Yeah,
to
but
come
not
here.
talk about
like,
that when you go give me money. I want you to give me some money to start out the place. I can't beat around the bush like a dirty baby, you know. Me want some money to start out right there. So if you give me, you give me. If you not give me, nobody say you not give me, do you know, because I want it.
Sis. So we can talk about this. We good.
Because I know say 30 years there foreign, you must have money. You could never come down here and broke and bossy. So you're mad.
my God,
I mean, I plan to give you one nice girl. Let me see up the road. You idiot.
Oh my God.
And then girl they love, yeah, but then girl they love money. So stay there, tear out your eye. They love money. So you have to have money to give them. Girl of Jamaica need money.
Ooh, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I hope she ain't no gold digger though.
No gold digger. One of my friends. So you can give her money, and any money you give her, she can give me some more tight. I'm my friend. I mean, hook her up on you. That's nothing. A normal thing that I go on right now. I'm a friend.
Half of what you just said.
I don't want you to understand me. She will understand me. Anything you give her, for me and her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Her and anything, I don't even gonna stress that. But we good though. Like, I'm gonna give you some money. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, when? I want it like anytime from now because I need to paint over the place and make people start coming again and start keep some party and run it in.
Okay, but I'm gonna need to go to the so what y'all change money at down here? What y'all use?
Watch ya. You have whole heap of man on the road. When me can care go show you them and make them change your money. Them have good rate. And them on the road change money. You can go a bank to go change it.
That's what I'm talking about. Like I don't want to be walking around with.
So if you want to go in a MoneyGram place, them are Western Union place, you can't care go in there.
But
you have to show them your ID in this and everything.
I have no problems. I got my credentials.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Like we gonna have to go to the Cambio shit, sort whatever, and we sort something out.
Well, me like you sit down for your money. You're not say no to nothing. Just start out when you're ready to start out.
Yeah, we good, sis.
Yeah.
So what we gonna have for dinner today?
So dinner, not talk about that the party yet. How much money you give, Bobby?
Sis, I'm not gonna tell you that.
So you give money already?
Sis, it's okay. What?
Then look how long you come now, bro. Talk you God truth, we God love. You make me at my yard stay and not fit dirty Bobby yard.
As soon as I go inside the house, I'm gonna give you something.
Oh, thanks. Alright, then me don't talk. I just that me when 1 year say me I go get.
Don't worry about it. I got you, sis.
Me have to buy soap to wash the sheet. Then we ask.
I got you.
Alright, me gone. Alright, so you're not coming, you're sit down there. So
I'm coming. Let me make one more phone call and then I'll be in.
Alright, who you call?
I'm gonna call my friend right now, real quick.
Overseas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let them know that I'm okay.
So you have a woman?
Are you running an agency or something?
Me ask if your friend have a woman. Me didn't tell you say I want your friend.
You
but
acting
that
like
can't
a
work out.
pimp.
No man, that can't work out. If you have no woman, you can't hook up your sister. One thing, sister, we come from poor breed.
Okay,
you that boy?
sis. We here?
Yeah, man, we're there, man. Boy, sorry about the breakdown thing with the car, yeah? Just because me never care, I got a mechanic shop, me never have the money to fix it. Hi, honey! Hey, me I come to introduce everybody to you, yeah? Nobody the finishes now, yeah? I'm gonna chat too much.
Oh, man.
Come in, my boss, come in. You remember, my one and only, you know her as Jessica, but Whitney, her nickname.
This is her?
This is Jessica, brother.
Oh, she's all grown up.
Yeah, nice to meet
pleased to meet
you.
you.
Yeah, my brother come
I know
from.
a lot about you, like a lot.
Okay, I hope some good things though. Yep. Okay.
You want the red stripe now? I don't want the red stripe now.
Oh yeah, man. Let me get a red stripe, bro.
I got you.
Give me a red stripe. Give me a red stripe.
Please, I haven't had one of those in a minute.
Hold this red stripe.
What do you want?
So I got my sister-in-law. Same thing for you. Come in there, really food around. Alright, babe. So your red stripe. What do that, babe?
Give me one crown water. If you don't have the red one, just give me one Malta.
Alright, no problem. What for you, babe?
The regular mama, see, you know me thing about the man. Hey, that make it sound, watch out.
Watch out, careful,
Make it sound
mama.
some,
So you want special, baby? Good special.
Special, baby.
Alright, may I come? Alright, I got you.
Man, what's taking so long?
I'm right with you guys. I'm coming.
Come on, Jessica, do our thing with you.
I wouldn't know that, bro.
Vampire.
Alright, I have to get the lady first. Sorry, I have to get the lady first. And then here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, baby. Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you
Cheers. Thank you.
Why is she looking at me like that?
Like how?
Weird.
Don't worry about that, man. Yo, what about? I'm glad to make care got a place there. Now, man, you know, when last I drink a real restaurant. Sister Vibes Cup, you know, one to sister.
I'm calling that others. Say one of them feel. No, put down this.
When last I drink a real restaurant, brother.
Oh, man.
No, Zayona,
This is
no.
crazy. I haven't had one of these in a minute, though.
I'm telling you, man.
Oh, man.
A good vibes, man. Good place. Yo, you what one? May I reason my sister 1 minute, yeah? So far, come in and talk to us.
Baby, drink. Alright, baby.
The drink's nice, man.
Alright, sis.
Alright,
May I go and keep your brother company
Yeah, man,
here?
let's swing
Make
it,
sure
swing it.
say alright and take care of him for you.
Where you going?
Let's share a reason about something.
No, I got you, bro. I got you. Don't worry. He's not going too far. I got you.
I'll take about you.
No, baby, no. So how's the bear?
Sister coming in, man. She have vibes. Yo. I'm to you, drop a drop. Listen, I want to you. Make you just have fixable face, so. How are you begging for something to get through? Can't you begging to get through your other going just your sour face. And you see the vehicle broke down and you come talk. Listen me, I say, man. And you come talk about rent vehicle. Make your man put gas on my old car. You come go like you want to kill my vibes. So when him put gas in my car and make you go drive and go do what I do because him not give you no money. You realize you don't get no money. You get money yet? Or you get money?
Give you money.
Oh, you get money?
You him not give money. Because I tell him how you turn dirty dog. You don't see type of girl where you take up.
You mean type of girl you take up?
You don't see this kettle where you take up.
Hard working.
Hard work in your backside. You see man who love woman who work in a bar. Remember me tell you.
So you talk bad about bar girl?
Me not chat bad. Me chat reality. You love the girl them who work in a bar. Remember say a bar you find her in a, you still have her in a bar. When you find him in a bar, you should take him out and put him in a one different job. See it there now? You don't see where you go and it come like you're blind to everything.
Blind to what?
So what make you feel so me set so from me come?
I want to make you feel so like a bullfrog. I want to you.
Because from we come the girl admire we brother.
So no,
Like
brother.
you want him.
No, you don't want him. She don't stay so.
Who not stay so?
My Jessica don't stay so. What you
You're
talking about?
Jessica.
What you mean?
Okay.
You just always have some bad mouth.
I hear Jessica.
Then buy you the Malta, you still never drink it.
Me
Like-
no want no Malta, me just take it because me no want my brother to feel no waste and come and offer me.
And you gonna waste it, and you don't want it. That makes sense. Stay up, drink a bottle of water then.
Me take you and give little baby so I'm about that. And
No,
that,
boy,
and that make a bother you?
No,
If
me.
you think a lie, me they tell, watch it pre. Look over there, so.
Let me talk. What to you?
Look over there, so.
Nothing
Look,
wrong.
look on the type of look where my give away, brother. You know see?
A conversation, man. Something wrong with you, youth.
Jesus God. Has something wrong with me or something?
Me a drink and you a drunk. What to you? Relax yourself. The situation is not how you make it sound.
Them the type of woman they want.
Yeah, and so what?
Me want you about that the girl for a long time.
Let me tell you something
Before
you
look
don't
on
know.
Good girl, you go take up one bar girl and still have him in a bar. No, you care your brother for the first time come introduce your brother to her. You know what she do? I push on herself. You not see everything.
No,
but
she-
me they look
Listen
with
to
me
me.
too, yeah.
Not because the girl is being, creating a good environment so that the man can feel comfortable. You feel say she's our. She a look the man. The first thing come to your brain, she a look the man.
I don't trust those two.
Huh?
No, I'm saying I don't trust them. They always going at it. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah, I don't mind them. So how's the beer?
It's good. It's
Cold
really
enough,
good,
huh? Let
actually.
me open mine so we could cheers. I've heard a lot of nice things about you. Nice to meet you again.
Cool.
Damn, I'm wet. I like getting wet though. So tell me a little bit more about yourself. Let me come a bit closer. Tell me a bit. Are you okay?
I'm good.
You're very handsome. Can I touch you? Like, you're very handsome.
Why are you doing that though?
Because you're very attractive and I like you. I like what I see. Is that a crime? They ain't looking. They all the way down there. Yeah, you just like think of it as liquor.
But that's my family right there.
Yeah, but like if he doesn't know what he doesn't know doesn't hurt you. Like just relax. We got this. Just relax. So you got a girlfriend? Most importantly. Even though it doesn't matter because I'm already in a relationship. So
Oh my God.
I'd love for you to be my, you know.
Please
could
tell
work
me you're
something
joking.
out.
Please tell me you're joking.
Why you don't think you're fine enough to deserve a nice woman like me? You like Subway sandwich, like a foot long. I'd like to try a foot long. But tell me a little bit about America and a little bit more about yourself. I want to learn some things about you. I find you very attractive.
I'm actually good. Like, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good too. Like, it's just really nice seeing you.
It's really nice.
Cheers, man. We have a long way to go. We have a lot of things to accomplish. So what's America like? I'd like to go there someday. You know, I've heard a lot of nice things about America.
Oh, well, you should apply, I guess.
Well, probably you could help me with a visa or something, right?
Bobby should be the one you're talking to about this, though.
Don't mind Bobby. He's a good guy. He's good. Don't worry about him. Let's talk about me and you. It's all about me.
Hold up. There is no me and you.
Why? You don't like what? Look at me. Like, I'm a very, very attractive young Jamaican woman. You don't find this every day in Jamaica. So what are you trying to say right now? You're not interested in me? Because you're a fine-ass man, and I like what I see. And my boyfriend is all the way over there. And he doesn't have to know anything, so we could work something out.
This is not right, though.
I know it's not right, but like a lot of things aren't right, and it still gets done, right? So we could make it right.
Please tell me you're joking. Like, we cannot. This can't happen.
But what he doesn't know can't hurt him, can it?
But I know, and that's my brother.
So you gonna tell him? You can't keep a secret? Yes. If you don't tell him, how is he gonna know? Because I'm not gonna tell him, so how is he gonna know? Listen, we could do this. I want you to listen. I want you to sleep on it. I want you to sleep on it. I know you're gonna change your mind tomorrow. You're jet lagged right now. It's okay. Take your time. Breathe easy. We'll catch up tomorrow. You're gonna be here for a while.
Bobby!
Why are you doing that? Hey, what?
Where you guys gone so long?
Yeah, babe, come. Babe, come here. What are you doing? Careful. Don't do that.
So long time I come to Jamaica, you know, my brother not do me this, man. We know my brother, you know.
Bobby. You see why I have to disown you more while? Because you have no sense.
Chelsea, what you talk about? What you talk about?
You don't have no sense of humor. You're stupid and dumb.
Sense of humor?
You're woman. They're right in front of your eye. Look, we are going across from Francie, you know. And she over there, so just a meet with brother.
No, because
look
he come from France.
Me show you where they going over there, and you say, I know nothing. You're an idiot.
Don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand on me. You understand me? I say,
okay.
Don't do that again. Me tell you, say, stop put your hand on me. What you mean? Because we out in the public and you come do that. Don't put your hand on me. Don't like it. That's why me move from your house. You understand me? I say,
that make you move from your house.
What then?
Because when you cook over there, you name out of the pot and the plate, them you not wash them. I don't want you there.
You don't wash no pot and plate. And me I wash too much pot and plate. As a big man, my hands are soft. My hands are soft. Come here, wash too much pot and plate. And you come talk about. Me you can't agree because certain things.
Watch it.
You mean certain things.
Watch it.
What? Left them alone in the chat.
Stupid.
Jessica have to be that friendly because that's how she make. Suppose she want to make a tip. Suppose she has to stop her from make a tip right now.
Bobby, you see, let me tell you, so you see, as friend to the sea sun and shine there, you see, this a woman you will name Chelsea, when you call for your sister, this one me friend now. Me no want no idiot be my brother. Me no want no mascot. Me no want no damn fool for my brother. This one me friend today. You hear me I tell you? You is a nincompoop. Damn stupid and no sense. You lack of sense. God gave everybody 5 cents, you would get 0. You damn jackass. Watch it. Look what going over there. So you're
Antoine, me a come there.
Stabilize.
You hear me call me when backside you.
Oh, me a come there. You is a idiot, you know no sense.
Take time to talk.
Your girl and look your brother, you damn fool. More friend in front of me. You see if your name is little brother.
Put your hand for me, you see if you put your hand for me, I'm biting your neck. Hey, don't ramp me because that's what you have to do back in the days, you know. I'm going to tell you I don't like it. You have to go on here, you're in charge of me. Antoine, me a come, Antoine.
You see if your name is smaller brother, you see
go for this stuff. Act nice.
Act nice. Your girl a idiot, your girl a skittle.
Wait for you. There, man. There, brother. There.
Yes, baby.
Alright, so we ready, right? No, I'm ready. Like, I think we should go right now.
So what happened ever at it? What happened this time? Me hear the mouth up and we over there. So what happened this time around?
Let's go. Like, I'm ready to go.
So alright, brother-in-law, you had a great time?
I'm good. I'm ready to go.
The bear was cold enough?
I'm ready to go.
Let's
go.
Alright, honey. May I touch you and I'll come back here? May I put him on the road to see what I'm going because I'm fresh in the country and things. You know you're already, right?
Yes, baby.
But you're
ain't good, man. Yeah, baby, good and the beer cold. No, ain't good, man. Ain't good.
Go on to your Chelsea. Chelsea just always at me, Chelsea.
Baby, no bother with it, man. No bother with it. Yes,
hey, come on, let's go.
Love you, baby. Be safe on the road.
Alright. That time soon, come here.
Bye.
No, soon, come here, man. Alright. I say ready. Come on, brother.
Bye, brother-in-law. Take care. I'll see you soon.
Not too soon.
Respect. Oh, you're gonna be do sightseeing and stuff like that. But have fun. I'll see you soon. Alright, sister.
Not at all.
Chelsea. Don't be shut up, man. We can't you come back again for that now. Well, got only reach. Oh, God. Chelsea, me there talk to you now.
Who you talk to?
Chelsea.
Your sister? Oh, tell me say hi.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Well, so me soon call you back, yeah? Yeah, sit down, because. Me soon call you back. Yeah. Me say, guess what? It's a Chelsea, I tell me, say.
What you say now? Because she ever come with some drama, because I know we get along for long.
Alright, you see when she come out the shop, right? And she have big on her face, long on her face and look for you.
So long for you go to Kingston Airport.
She'll say, yeah, look, my brother. Me know so that can't possible.
Me babe.
Exactly. No. Can you imagine that?
No, say your sister hate me.
Babe.
Me babe.
Jessica, I say, well, me
And
girl.
you take so good, so much, so...
That's
no,
why,
me and Stammer, babe, I don't know what to say.
That's why when me over there and you hear me and she start get loud and thing.
Yeah,
and me
across the road.
rub you and thing. Yeah, because she a style you. I mean, I like them, even though me and she have blood and me and she, that's why me and she can't agree.
But me don't be able to... Out
all that person them.
Look
Me
how
see
good
myself
they
say-
treat me.
Exactly. I see over there and I talk to him about only thing me see her do is just being, a
Baby,
good person.
fine people come there
hospitable.
all the time. White, pink, purple, blue people come there all the time. Spend all different type of currencies. I have to be nice to them and
Exactly.
welcoming to them.
And I'm a brother. My
Out of
brother.
all the persons in the world, why your brother?
I know in the States a bit. I know your type of thing that. You know,
No,
you flex
babe.
them way there.
But me never know your sister don't like me. But it's true, she say we all live happy and not always at it. I don't know if you say why sister don't accuse me of such.
Me? Yo, I said to myself, say, boy, alright, even though me and brother are reasonable.
But let's take a lie detector test right now. They should have that in Jamaica. Me, babe?
No, babe, no.
Baby,
Don't bother go
woman
so
do
far.
them something make me
Exactly.
feel hurt, babe. Look at my sister cool.
Exactly.
And how she love it, baby, and something. Me, babe? No, sir.
But as me say,
because I can't, brother.
Don't pay her no mind, man. Make she stay. Make she stay.
So baby
man.
really believe her?
No, me
know
no believe.
better?
That's why me I talk to you about it. I don't believe her. Cause when she talk to me about it, she pint over there, pint on you and this and that. All she want, I try to be aggressive for me over there. I say to her, I say, you can't do that. Me I start get rude and angry. Me I say, no,
Yeah,
she
because
kill
you're
my
supposed
vibes.
to defend your woman because she bring bad energy and bad
Exactly.
vibes. Baby, I'm over there, I talk to your brother, me and him did it and we laugh and chat and something. And I tell me saying you want to find one nice good Jamaican girl. You know, I tell you probably, you know, I have a lot of friends and something. I could have linked him up on one nice girl, make him have some fun before him go. You know, experience a yard girl style. And
Exactly.
man, you know, I'm mostly be a black American, them used to. And your sister really pull that
Really, I
stuff
pull that
babe.
stuff upon you, and especially you, babe. When you help her enough time. Enough time she come and shop and she not no money. And you say,
look how much
take you and
take.
go on. You
Because
understand
I'm
me? I
a
say?
sister-in-law.
And she'll take him Malta today. And she don't want him Malta. You know. I just so she stay.
She don't want Malta?
A dirty style she have
I
a
could have
keep
said
up.
Malta.
Exactly. We
Babe,
see
me I tell you the
Malta.
truth, you know, babe. For the sake of our relationship, and we live loving and live in a peace and happiness. Me avoid her, you know. Me not say me go completely avoid her, but I just high and by. Me not skinty with her, because I not play no
Yeah,
hypocrite.
because I can't be so shady, babe. I am my honey, you know what I mean?
I tell
But I said, don't pay no mind.
me, I look at brother. I
You
make
may
it
think
why
about
your
still.
brother.
You might think because I talk to him already, you know. And I make him know, say, boy, yo, I want that money to start some business. And he must say, go help me out. So, he look like that why she must go here now.
Oh, jealousy. Yeah, babe. Yeah, jealousy, Nana. She jealous of your father.
Me just
She jealous
can't
of your
understand
father.
how she stays so. But you will not pay, you know, too much attention
I don't
upon
know
that.
how you end up in that family, you know, because you're best son out of all of them. I can beat my chest high and say that.
I know that,
How
babe.
you as my man?
I know that, babe. I know that. I love that.
I can't
Alright.
believe it, though.
Me not like, I'm hungry.
It's a wicked girl. What you want to eat, baby?
I wonder. When you go buy some KFC and come back or what? Listen.
Yeah, if you grab something on the road, because this just mess up all my meds.
Yeah,
My
'cause I know,
whole
I
day
know,
spoil. Look,
sis.
where your brother come, then we build a vibe and we go down something. I'm really kind of send some from attention, you know, because I see you know. But I know not always have misunderstanding. So I see you across the road, I don't think none of it.
Exactly. Why? I love how she talk, you see. Alright, you know what I say? So tomorrow, I go try to make you start one business. You understand? So the thing where you want to deal with,
Start out here.
just go deal with and keep it posted. You understand?
Alright,
I say
baby, I
call
will
me
do
all the
that.
time. Because my brother might pass through to you.
Yeah.
You understand? So if he pass through, you don't know where you go already.
Baby, I tell you the truth, I didn't come, I just high and buy, you know.
I know say
I
that,
just
baby.
high and buy, and if you're not there, I just make him know you're not there. I don't know long talking with him, because I see them start hell life on me already, and I can't believe your sister would have done me this.
Exactly. I'll leave him left sitting in the car and he say I come back for you tomorrow because I can't go check him tomorrow. Yeah, so when he come here tomorrow, if he
Just
come
give me time to go back
you can go
in.
again,
I
please.
grieve, my spirit grieve, me I
Come
tell
in,
you the
come in now,
truth.
mama.
Go on to that, my spirit grieve. Girl.
Come on, yeah, mama, I'm going now. Why she just love your mama say? I thought girls stay sick, girls have stuff.
We began to feel the fire.
Start.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Honey,
Yes, babe?
remember I said my brother have him pass by and come pick up that something, yeah?
Alright, cool.
But it, you remember my spy there?
Yeah, I'm going to pass it on the couch. Are you put it on the couch?
Carry come show me, because well, you know what exactly me I talk about.
It's a little brownish looking.
Brown
leather
bag, yes man, that's the same culture. Well, I don't know, but he might come by.
Alright, baby.
I'm going to start to think of period and come by. Not more than maybe half an hour or two, but him say anyway. Alright? So later, you mama Sita, love
Alright,
you.
take care. Love you too,
Alright,
baby.
you know, go up my man tree.
Later, baby.
Later, man.
Why you sick? See that door, man. Ain't got teeth here, you know. Careful.
Oh my God.
Hello? Jessica? This is where Bro said he lives. Yeah, this is the right place. Jessica! Oh, there you are.
Hi. How are you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. It's nice to see you. Would you like to come inside?
Oh,
Come
no,
inside.
that's okay, that's okay. I'm just here to pick something up.
Pick me up. We're gonna go out. You're gonna take me out. Lunch date.
That's not what I said. I said,
Why you been acting like that? You've been acting up lately. I don't like what's going on with you.
Miss Jessica,
You're leaving soon, remember?
I'm just
And we haven't
here.
spent any quality time together to get to know each
What
other.
are you talking about?
Come on inside. Don't be like that.
No.
Don't be a prude.
I just came to pick my bag up. Could I have my bag,
You
please?
can come on inside and come and get it.
Please, I don't want no trouble.
I'm not trouble. I'm actually good for you. Listen. I'm that good thing, actually that great thing that you get, and you never know you wanted it until you had it. Like, as a matter of fact, you don't know you need it until you get it. Like, just come on inside, man. There's just something about you. You're just so magnetic. I can't help it. Like,
You need
please.
to control yourself.
That's what I'm
to
doing my
control
best right
yourself.
now. Because if I didn't, I'd just take you inside.
What are you doing?
Come inside.
You cannot do that.
When I like how you move. When I last you get some real Jamaican good. How you move, sir? You're not married, you don't have a woman. How you move, so careful enough. Careful.
I don't like what you're implying right now. I'm just here to pick the
Well,
bag up.
well, come and apply something then. If you don't like what I'm implying, come and apply some pressure.
Please.
Baby,
Please,
trust
could I
me, I
just
got
have
you.
the
Come
bag?
on inside.
Could I just
Come.
get the bag, please?
I want to get the bag too. I want you to go back. We could build a relationship, go back. You could send me some stuff, take good care of me. Your brother don't have to know anything right now. You're acting all weird, fam.
Are you
Why you
crazy?
punking out on me?
That's my brother we're talking about.
Your brother, not you. Exactly my point. Oh my God.
Does
oh my
he-
God. You
does-
should be
does-
happy. Let's
does
go
he know-
inside. Come
Does
on.
he know you do these things?
Why would I? Total different scenario. Why would I even like? You're asking me some weird questions. Like, I'm gonna allow you to go on the road, have yourself a good day, reconsider, and we could pick up because
There's no reconsidering.
yeah, we could pick up where we left off because I see you're gonna take a little time, but we'll get there. I'm trusting the process, and we'll get there.
Stop touching me like that.
You don't like when I touch you?
Oh my God.
I know you like it. See, you can't even answer me.
Please.
What's inside? Is there a gift inside for me? Because I know you like me. You don't like me? You really don't like me?
This
I know
is
you like
not.
me. Come here.
This-
Come here.
Have a
Just
good day,
that.
please.
Meow. Meow.
Crazy ass.
Bro. Remember them pics, man? Back in the days?
Yeah. Yo, it's like the same thing. It hasn't changed, bro.
I tell them, you saw what your second beer or third beer? What beer you drink now, right, Richard?
I've been having a few, bro. Like all my drinks.
You put a beer if you know them style, I know. Hook up a key and bust it. So now I'm a lighter we use.
Yeah.
You know?
Father.
With someone. But yeah, man, it's a, memory, because you don't know a thing, but today I'm kind of busy, I couldn't even check it earlier, you know what I mean? I saw a thing.
Hold up. What you doing?
That's what's
A
up.
real talk, man, real
Cheers.
talk. Yo, good for you to be back in that place, brother. Believe me.
It's good to be back.
Yeah, man, good for you back, see you
Man.
again and thing. It's been a while, and even though we have up and downs back in the days, you know what I mean? Me bust your head and you bust me head back, you know what I mean? But I don't know anything, I life, to move on past that.
I remember when Granny used to, used to chase me all over the ground, and we all over the place, bro.
True,
Yo,
man.
them some crazy days, man.
Real talk, man.
Real some
And
crazy
so pick
days.
your switch and come back. And we say, no, sir. But you're always smart because
Oh,
you pick
man.
one very thin switch. Me pick one big old thing and
That was just crazy.
seriously, she go forgive me.
I don't know
Murder
for the
me.
love of me why you keep doing that.
Oh, man, rough.
Oh man. Yeah, I remember when we used to even go to school, bro.
And we always had each other's back. But man, like it was ever for like if there was a fight and you know you were always there for me and I was always there for you.
And when you know so one big story fling from we out.
Yeah.
You know, we are I mean we and I are coming. Oh boy, love brother.
Oh, now.
Dangerous man. But that's how you come out today. Good vibes. I just feel his sister now. Feel his sister always missing me from her.
And she took it from our moms though. Yeah, she's definitely taking it from her mom's side. My mom is always the overprotective one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and she's always like thinking like, yo, I don't want nothing happen to them. But I understand it.
True.
You know, now I'm looking at it. I understand that she's just being our
protecting. That's true.
Right.
I real time.
I love her for that.
Yeah, I love her for that. Man, Chelsea.
I really do.
See that? See that? I'm a drop.
Chelsea's like everything. Like y'all are just my family right now. I don't know what I'll do without y'all.
So, man. But yo, you know what I say? One reason when I live because before me check you which day there, me I talk to some woman on the phone. I want to go on with that actually. But I'm telling you, man, are you?
Hey, don't pay that no mind, bro.
No,
Like,
man, because
is this girl that I've been talking to up overseas and she just acting up. Like she acts very crazy. I can't go nowhere. I can't do nothing. I can't go out. It's just I'm just done and fed up. So that's why I'm even taking this break right now.
Yeah, come here, I said to myself, say I broke up and just say, yo, brother, I'm coming out and waiting and then two toes. I say, got enough time when Chelsea say, you know, say we soon see a brother and waiting and she tell me say she gonna pick you up. I said, pick up? What?
Yeah.
And wait, cause me want to find the airport, you know. And me and she want to fight that man.
As always.
Gonna work out. Yeah, man. But yo, you don't know, so we have family now. They should say stick together and so forth. Do that.
Sure.
Start me couldn't drop off back in back for you. You know what I mean? But because, you know, me have a little thing for start out night and, you know, never really want to, you know what I mean?
Don't sweat it, man.
So,
question, you and your girl, y'all are good?
yeah, man. I mean, of course I'm good. What do you mean by that?
Like, y'all, you love her like that?
I'm a hard nothing human fuck, man. Yes, man.
Oh, damn.
We sugar that, man. A shit, you know what I mean?
Wow.
I share the wind, you know.
Beneath your wing.
That's to the man, without she, me can't fly.
Wow.
Yeah, man, one hand can't clap, you know what I mean? Woo! One of them girl ain't. How about them? You like her?
No, nothing like that, bro. I'm just checking to see what y'all relationship is like.
Our relationship super pugilistic, yes, we are delicious.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, man, to the maximum.
That's nice.
I mean, what? I want to bar. She run a bar and she run a shop and she come in late sometime, you know what I mean? And she come in and, you know, take a shower. And you know, that's about it. She
look outside of this relationship?
Outside of what you mean?
Like, go outside the relationship.
Like if me go outside?
Yeah.
But think about, like, all right, I remember me talking about the Go Club and something. I mean, there was something that cost money. So me I try to build a house and thing right now. Proper house for myself. Because the place I'm come a rental place. Because Chelsea, I go out and madness and that, but you left the place. You understand what I say?
I feel
that's the problem.
Yeah, you know.
But I don't know, I go, you know, I'm not only that man, I was married to man.
What?
Yeah, man, I was invited back to the wedding. Alright. And the thing I think about Tina because she love fine, you know. She got a fine mind in one sense that she want.
Word?
Yeah, man, she want.
I never saw that.
Yeah, I was sick, and that's here. So, she want to have fun. And she really want to, you know, spend some more time, you know what I mean, with the family. I'm going to take her out that bar. Can't work as nothing really that work heavy on my side, you know. Alright, let me be honest with you. Is that work really good looking at proper work, but it go hard. That's the best. And one more time I say, if you fall back. Anytime people come interview you and talk certain things, you must say, yeah man, don't call me. Let me call you. You know what I say, I don't know that. So I say, you know, I got a day I know, brother, if I have somebody to talk to outside that.
No, man, I have your back, bro. I'm always here. I'll definitely be a listening ear, bro.
No, man. So,
That's what I'm here for.
so how soon you feel like you can start out that thing that way to help with business?
All right. So we did discuss what your idea was. For me, what I always do is like, I need to know what the investment is. I need to know how much cars we getting. And we need to know all these things because we have to have a paper trail.
When you know something in the paper, the pen business, man.
Bro, it's a standard part of the business right now. That's what I went overseas and learned. And it works perfectly fine if we have a system. We have to have a system.
Well, guess what, go on, man. Vaccine thing there right now, still. So we're gonna find out about how much for 3, 4, 5 vaccine. You know what I mean? And then we're gonna link you back.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, man, cause it's like if you start a business, you want to start it solid.
Oh.
And it's a solid means that you want to, you know, I run with the pace, I want to go out with the time, because a vaccine at the road. You know.
I'm seeing that. I'm seeing that. Like, that's mostly what I see.
People are going to pick you up, you know. I rubbish that, brother. You know, money will charge you 5,000-6,000 a day. You know, vaccine or 15,000, 10,000.
Yeah, it was actually 8,000, but okay.
Oh, hold on there. Hey, mama call you. Mama call you, man.
Oh, snap.
Hello? Yeah, man, so baby want 10 milk. Listen. Oh, let's go. I buy some last. Yeah, man, I buy some last stuff here. No problem, man. Yeah. Pampers. I buy 5 Pampers I come. So far. Yeah, alright. I just look at that.
Oh, okay.
What you want me to say now still? We're gonna make it up, man, and
bro,
let's keep it posted.
all right, so here what I'm gonna do. Let's do this together. I'm gonna help you through the paper process. We select what we need to get done, and then we go forward from there. So I know how much money we need to allocate to sort it out.
Alright, that's all I can pull. All I plan. Alright, so look what you know. I you want, the time I get too dark, you know, you don't know a place, come really come from them place, and that's the matter. So come in, come in.
I really do appreciate this though. This is beautiful, bro.
I know,
I
man.
really do. Like, thanks
Memories.
a lot, man.
Memories
A lot of
thing, sir.
memories, man.
I mean,
A lot of
forward,
memories.
forward in there.
All right, let's go. Man. What is it now? I don't know. Why? Oh, God. I need a break. That's all I'm saying. I need a break from you. Please. Stop. Look. I'm in Jamaica and I'm just trying to make the best of it. Just leave me alone, please. I don't know. Anything you want to call it. You want to call it a breakup? Then okay, go right ahead. Oh my God. Look. I can't do this. I really can't. Like, this is stressing me out. You don't allow me to be me. You don't give me no time to be by myself, nor be around my friends. And right now, I want to be with family. I want to be with my family, please. That's all I ask. Just give me some time to be with my family. No, I don't want that. Like, can you just understand? Can you just please try to understand? Just try to understand. I need a break. God damn. This is the exact reason why I'm not there. Like, this is why I left. You can't keep stressing me, yo. When you stress me, like, it messes me up. Hell no. No. I don't want you here. I don't want you here. Oh my God. Psst. Look, I don't want you in Jamaica. I don't. Please stay where you are and let me get my thoughts together. Veronica, no, I don't want you here. No, I don't want you in Jamaica. Oh my Look, please, just forget about it. Just chill. I'm asking you, please, not to come. I'm asking you. Just give me some time. Let me figure some shit out, and then I'll let you know what's up. Oh my God. This is the thing. You keep pushing me. Stop pushing me, though. When you push me, you're pushing me away. I need time. You don't give me space. I need my space. And this is the reason why I'm away right now. So just give me my space. Don't come. Please. Okay? I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Bro. Want you?
Oh, man.
What going?
Oh, I'm sis. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my God.
You don't look like you're good. Want you?
It was just crazy. Oh my God. It's my girl. She's just messed up. She's stressing me. Damn.
At Jamaica, they said that you need to free your mind.
That's what I'm trying to tell
Free
her.
your mind, go drink a Red Stripe beer and feel nice and easy and cool and go on the beach, go cool out. You think of a girl and stress out over a girl. You idiot?
I need a couple of those right now. I could do with a couple of those. I'm good though. Don't worry about it. What's up?
Are you, me see, you know, for me the way down, me say hear you down your up on phone, me don't know what you talk say, but me know say you look upset and you sound upset. So me want to know what happened.
Yeah, my bad. It ain't that serious.
So you're sure say alright though. Low them girl there. Me don't tell us that me we get a girl for you. Want you?
Word.
Me get a girl for you, man. Nice girl. Good looking girl. Pretty hair girl. So you breed them girl, you know say a nice, cute, pretty hair baby I go get. I want you. Me good niece or me good nephew. Me can't wait. Anyway, what about the money me did ask about?
That's why you came back.
Yeah man, everything me come back about, me want if you sort out the thing, you know. So next time when you come, you see the place up and running.
Alright. So
remember, say you soon left, you know.
I know, but
Right. So anytime you come back, place it up and running and me go want the money.
okay, so I must tell you this.
You can't just send it to me account, man.
I said this to someone and I'm gonna say it to you. I'm not gonna tell you who I said it to. But I need you to have this in writing. I need some paper trails to all the things that you want the money to do.
Alright, cool,
and
no problem.
So we can have a backtrack as to what exactly we're doing and see where we're coming from.
Me we write out it, you know something
Right.
good like that.
And I need
Then
you to
I
have...
could have who that you want, you tell that, but you not tell me.
Don't worry about it. It's one of my friends. Don't worry about it.
One of your friends?
Yeah, it's just one of my friends.
Alright, anyway, me I'll start it out and give you and make you start out the money for me. See?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, make sure you say
Okay.
nothing wrong and everything good between you and that the girl there, you know, because that girl there take a feed there.
Oh, crazy. She's calling back. Oh my God. Bobby.
Hey, Antoine, we're not back
Bobby,
here.
my God. Where you at, man?
I am around the back.
Oh, man. Where you around here hiding? What's up, man?
How going, bro? You good? Oh, you mean?
I'm good.
Man,
This is it. What kind of spot is this?
Them a place you call chill spot.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Oh, cool. Yeah, man. This is really cool. This is
Yeah,
a really
man.
nice chill spot, for real.
Chill spot, brother, cause you don't know a thing. Sometimes you have to just lay low and thing.
Yeah.
If my woman gone on the road and things, so she gonna start out some little stuff for care up at the bar and so forth. So that,
Okay.
you know, go already out, you know, that's what the regular day and thing. So where you going with? Sister gave breakfast this morning?
Yeah, I got my. Yeah, sis ain't gonna let me leave that damn house without giving me some food, man.
You don't want that.
She gonna make me get fat when I go home.
You know, man.
That's crazy.
Yeah, style that, but
That's just crazy, man.
I only think Miss Aaron have food in her car. She love cook and thing, but sometimes when me eat out of the pot, the man sitting, you know, I can't wash it out right away. Nigga, you know, if it's the lazy right, that's all. You know what I mean? So at that, so me and she just can't agree, and it's just miserable straight cross. And then she will call me, which they tell me about for me woman and give me, like say for me woman, you know, she look you and
What?
yeah, that you know what she say. So me I go say to Jessica too, and me I tell Jessica say yo, you know, for my sister she I come go and like say say Bobby and
Where the hell did she get that crazy idea from?
but I don't know your answer. Yeah, what's your right answer? Chelsea be easy, brother.
I'm not one for relationship advice right at this current moment because, as you know, I'm not really seeing anybody. But I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket.
What do you mean by I put all eggs? A roast there call me?
I mean, just no. I'm just trying to say, bro, as my brother, just keep your options open.
You know the funniest thing about you sometimes, bro? Back in the days, you used to always go like you know everything, you know, and you know, me can't bother the vibes sometimes, brother. Nobody bring the vibes back at about how much years now?
My bad.
30 years, brother.
Look, my bad.
Because when Granny used to carry the egg, the man sitting come here, you used to name out for me egg. You know what I mean? You don't remember them days there? So you talk about egg in a basket and then something there.
That's not entirely what I was actually getting at, but okay. Bro, let's just leave that alone. Look, I brought the stuff for you though.
Which stuff?
Stuff for you, man.
You know, say a beat here, what kind of? So look like you can buy it on the market.
Y'all Jamaicans are here.
Y'all what is that? This is too short, brother. You can't give me the short pants. I'm going to put them. What is that?
What are you talking about?
What is this?
These are nice, bro.
Oh, you know, Gucci, brother. Don't tell me you'll figure them something, brother. I don't understand what you give me there. It's like a flea market. You're going to get them sitting there, brother.
Y'all are too caught up in the brand thing.
What do you mean caught up in that, brother? Brand we want. Because we want, you know, I don't understand you.
Do you see me wearing any brand?
If you not buy on a brand, me, this is the only one. This one, that's a nice. All the rest. Yeah, man, the one that can go.
Bro, all these are nice. What are you talking about?
So remember you say I get one cologne. So where cologne?
Oh, crap. I left that at home. Don't worry about it, man. I got you. I left it at home. As soon as I get back to the house, I'm going to grab it and get it too.
One thing I mean, I like when people tell me say them I do a thing and I do it, brother.
Man,
you know what I mean?
I told you I'm
That's them a thing that remind me of back in the days, brother. Every time when, you know, you used to say you wait for me and two just disappear because you say, you know, me not walk fast enough and all them something. But all right, yo, is that yo, we load the vibes.
Yeah.
You know what you want to tell the brother?
All right, so firstly, I want to get business out of the way.
Yeah, man. Brother, I look on the phone and I try to find the vaccine them. And I find 4 vaccines, you know, from one company. Yeah, them have the vaccine them. So I say, only thing I need to do now is this paper business we talk about, paper trail business.
So I went ahead.
But the vaccine look nice, don't you?
Yeah. What year is that?
And after 2018, man, I can't nothing less.
Okay, so I brought my tablet, and so we can actually have a structure as to what we are actually planning on doing. So I went ahead and did a programming.
Mm-hmm.
And so we have the business right here, which is the starting capital.
Mm-hmm.
Then after the starting capital, we now are going to be finding out what it is that we're buying with the capital and how much money it will remain after we spend out of that money. Then after that category, we use whatever funds left to put everything else, make it road ready, as to what you all would say.
Road ready, we have to have road ready.
Like make it be impossible.
So like, is that loan? Is that loan business? Is that then? Like I want a loan?
It's not entirely.
What I mean entirely, brother? Loan? Me no want a loan, man. Yo.
Hold up.
The last time one brother take a loan and he couldn't pay, he sitting because the vehicle when mash down and he couldn't pay back the vehicle. People come for the vehicle and embarrass the man.
No.
Loan business, brother.
No. You were mistaken. This is not a loan setup. This is a setup for our business that we are doing. So we know where the money is going. We know what the money is for. We know what the money purchased and how much is left.
So make you want to know so much thing. Trust me, just give me money and buy the vaccine and then I will work out everything after that. I say go, a business. So if me get $10,000 to them, I put it on, me just get one notebook and put nights at $10,000. How much do you forget? You want $2,000 out of it, you want $3,000, what you get? If for the month, you know, if vaccine not really touch the street certain way, you know what I mean? You know, so nothing there.
That's not how structuring a business goes.
So I can structure a top, I think a roof.
I'm actually talking about doing something that gives you a possibility more than a probability.
So you're
I'm giving you a stronger possible outcome of a positive outcome as opposed to a negative outcome.
Alright, so you're telling me this is stronger than my brain.
This is proof, solid proof that
For?
the business will work if you do it according to this.
To that. Tablet. Paper trail.
Paper trail. You just want to know everything, the setup, the breakdown, the expenses.
So what control is set up for expenses? You control it?
We both will have clearance.
Really, right now you're talking and show me but I can't bother them something. But you know, as long as I get the vaccine, when you can't get the vaccine then?
It's not a matter. So, okay, so how much money, here's that category, how much money is it going to take to buy all these buses?
No.
But that's the first thing we need to
So,
find out.
if
You said you was on the phone.
Yeah, man.
How much is it going to cost?
Alright, so if one I vax them off it in a Jamaican dollar, I talk about now. So you have to go do your own workout.
Right.
So if in a Jamaican dollar, one I vax bus off it 2.9 million, or 1 4. So 2.9 times 4 is equal, alright, because it's 7.3 million that, and it's a 4 3s are 12. So, you know, look a bit under 11 million.
Times 4 equal 11.6.
11 points. You might have my brain. You might say, trust my brain, bro.
11.6.
$1 million.
Okay. Okay. So we have that figure right there, 11.6.
Yeah.
So now it's $11.6 million in Jamaican.
Yeah, man, Jamaican dollar.
Okay. So how much so 10,000 US is $1 million, $1.5 million in Jamaica.
I mean, no. Hold on. I say someone call me. Yeah, babe. All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Him there with me too. Antoine there. Yeah, man. Antoine there.
It's on Twain.
And a Jamaica with the brother. I mean, Antoine there, cause your brother a long time we call Antoine. Antoine who grew up a call you. It's Antoine come from a Wayne and that.
Proper pronunciation.
All right, so yeah, man. We are forward now. Yeah, babe. All right. Cool. Yeah. Look for me here. Yeah.
Who that is?
Jessica.
Oh, your girl? Oh, okay. I wasn't aware that we was gonna link her up.
No, man. Yeah, and she will link, but it's a pass through. Come and drop off.
So we not gonna finish out the business now?
That can do it later on. Later we'll do that something. So, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, man, we eat later, man. Don't worry about it, man.
This is why y'all Jamaicans messed up because y'all don't deal with business
Jamaican
first.
No, but yeah, why? You're not Jamaican? Eh?
Man,
Brother, just work your career go and go ahead. Come in.
I'm gonna need some curried goat. Like,
Curry goat?
yeah, that's what I'm feeling for.
Yes, you guys at the shop. Yeah, she's at the shop. Oh my God. As you can see, she's a bit busy.
Okay.
You know, somebody need to fix up like a car.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix the car, bro. But I hear me at one.
Nothing is wrong with that.
So you want a beer again?
Man, you know I can't get enough of my bear.
Alright. So I'll go for beer for one.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Tell Jessica I said hi.
She a forward, man. You know, so she can't know, say there and...
She's coming.
Yeah, man, she come here, though. What you said, man? Babe. No, man. You want like some...
Yeah,
There, you good? See Antoine there, you know?
hey, brother-in-law.
Get one beer, come. Get one beer. Get one beer, come on.
You know my
Special,
baby
yeah?
wants special. You don't have to tell me that.
Alright, so me over here, so here?
So, babe,
Hmm?
me and a smarty picnic too? Your baby and a smarty picnic?
Anything you want, man.
Okay, I
Alright.
know that he
You
got me.
worry, oh.
Okay.
Yeah, man, see, I found the beer, brother. Oh, my God. I just love a woman so much, you know. She don't know what I'm doing, brother. A woman just, you know, she always did it for me. Brother, you look for me like that, I want him.
You didn't say nothing.
You know something I don't know?
No. My God, all I'm saying is, just, man, keep your options open.
See, she come and know there. Oh, my God, look for me, honey, man.
Why is she walking like that?
That's what she want now, That's what she want, I want him.
Here you go, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Hey, bro. I called to you earlier, but it seemed like you weren't really into the right mood, I guess. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Babe, you
God.
always make me so nervous, though. I'm gonna stay over here, so we could all just have a little,
Yeah,
chit
man,
chat. You okay?
I want if everything good.
What's going on with you, babe? I think your brother is going through something that he needs to. You good, bro?
Good, man. See, having red stripe, right?
Cheers.
You know what they do get for cheers?
Cheers, long
Oh,
life.
what?
Prosperity.
You know, I'm going to waste my liquor because this is special.
Tonic, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Because later, you know where you're going.
That me I talk about. So it's work today. I see you busy, babe. I have
I
time.
miss you.
I know you miss me, baby. I know you miss me. That's the greatest thing. Me
So
there.
how you not ask your daughter? You normally do.
No, but me know so she alright.
Yeah, she did over my girl. Will keep an eye on her sometime.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come here. You know, at some point, you know, me go do that, babe. You know what I mean?
Oh, you love the nana, man.
Of course, I love my Nana. Nana is, is everything to me. You know that already, babe.
I will try to enjoy myself.
So what time you come tonight?
As soon as I can, baby. You know how you bar thing going fluctuate. Because I have customers, baby, now. You know I make the money so I can start out stuff. Even though you do your part, you know I love work. So, yeah.
I know that, baby girl.
But as soon as I can.
Oh, so the brother there,
Oh, so. Mas, something them. You remember my name? But him a regular cut. Baby, he only want one red stripe. Serve my red stripe, please.
Red stripe?
Yeah, maybe I reason the brother make sure same good. Cause probably no one talk to you.
You don't want to do that, bro. Like,
But I'm going to red stripe and fall, man.
just let her do it.
Look how she tired, bro. Auntie, man, relax,
God,
man.
Thank you so much, baby. Oi, turn around and look at me when I talk to you. You know, I like how you move. How you move, so? You deal with my man, yeah, job. Yes,
You,
I mean,
you
know
talking to
understand.
me like that?
Yeah, I know you understand Jamaican dialect, yes. If I go down like raw pot of fake, I'm not like, you move away. You move away, brother.
Talk to me like that.
You can't tell me to talk me, a big man. I come around and you jazzed up like your man pick up. You know, come mash up my relationship, you know, because you don't want me, you know. And me right now, I give you too much gas. I'm a fine man, come at this bar and want me. I want to take me go to America, Canada, US, anywhere you want to name it. England, all about. US, America, same thing. And you come go on like you something can make party. What I'm saying? You get me.
Are you
Who
delusional?
you think you be? Who delusional? Are you delusional? You can't say good, nice, clean woman and look at you, don't want me. What's wrong with you? Japan look at
If you were a good, nice, clean woman, you'd be sticking to your man. Why are you looking at me though? Stop making pass at me.
good things are for share. You never know that.
Oh my
If you learn to
God.
share, you're so grateful. You know your brother has such a blessing and I want to share it with you. Once you convinced there's something wrong with you, you know, you're not going good. You're not going good. As a matter of fact, me allow you.
This ain't right.
No, you're true, you don't right. Because waste of time, you're going like, you have some real butter ears and butter crip girl boy, yeah, you know, them not going to treat you good, them just want you look for US and something, you know, when them done with you, you're traumatized, that may I tell you. You should have glad my other look at, but anyways, me not make you feel too special. I'm done with you. You see this man, act normal, act like you know. No matter come judge up yourself and come go on like. I'm not like that. I say something to you, you're not interested, well, fine, but I'm gonna come go on when you see me, you have to respect your brother, you know. Just like me, you respect your brother enough to look you when him not look. I don't respect him when I do it in front of him face, so don't do that. Understand yourself. Right, this is she.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you, but if you understand yourself, you come go on like, look at me, you crazy?
What's that word? What the bamboo cloth you saying?
I don't care where you're chicken out for me. Look how big old, thick, hulky, overgrown man like I used to good woman. Something wrong with you. You get me spirit irritated. Something really wrong. I want to do some man here. You move like I want because he's the boy. Oh, you move, sir. If I never one thing I use something and just... You don't worth it.
So
you
because,
don't worth it.
So because
what? Yes.
Because
You don't have the style.
I'm not looking at you.
You're not act normal. I'm not bother like you. You agree with my spirit. But anyways, when it's my man, act normal, act sensible, because you're not act sensible. That's my thing there right now. You just blow you out. Because you're not going, you doesn't have no money. You doesn't get deported and come down here and go on like, you doesn't have no money to spend with the broke foreigner vibes. Can't be a rich type of drink and no man stay by your back like anything. I want to you. No belly or no nothing. I thought my customer call me. I come skin up. You see, if I don't want me joking here, you don't have no style, youth. You
can't talk to me like that.
He's a mad girl. Certified mad. That's why your brother know how mad me be. If I don't want thing to set you up and kill you, you don't have no style. You move like a weight. Move and wait, please. You upset me, youth.
Move your bamboo cloth.
Move and go.
Yeah, I need to fuck more shopping because my mom got enough money there. How am you? Eh?
I'm good.
Oh, boy. Yo! You're rough. All right, so. Ready for touch the road?
I'm ready, man.
Mr. What am you now, mama?
She alright, man.
She good?
We was just talking.
Yeah, come and see her face. Look kind of like light up, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah, little, you know, one time she light up something wrong. Like she had, decide something, you know?
I don't know. But we were just here vibing. I was just telling her about the place and all of that. About my experience and all of that.
Oh. Follow in, man, cause
I'm ready. I'm definitely ready.
Come here, man. Come on, no chance, I do.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Brother, take so long to forward, man. When does that take so long? Yes, honey. Yeah, man, I'm there, I'm brother, I'm there with plans for forward, you know, because I'm saying he want to touch the road and you know, eat a jelly and, you know, just have a good day today and thing. Eh? What do you mean by that? Jessica, what happened with you and my brother? My brother there, I feel a little bit, me have to go talk to him and me not fi go out with him today. What? You feel like him go up that will be a business that you have to cut out the vibes there, you know. Because I don't understand why you feel. I'm a brother a long time and I see him, I have to spend as much time with him as possible. And he soon forward and I tell him, say, come meet me or so. Because Chelsea says she go. No, you can't look on it like that, Jessica. Tell me something, you and my brother have something? So why you make it seem like say, oh, we have something then? If nothing or nothing, why me can't see my brother today? Me dress up now already if you go up on the road now you tell me so don't. Yes, me know the last time I never listened to you. Me end up when you bought me too. What? Jessica. Ah, boy. Alright, later. Me now better go over there. I see my come out too. Alright, Jessica. Bobby,
What's up, man? What's good? We ready, yo?
Yo,
Come on, don't give me that. Come on, man. We doing this. Oh, man.
you are going. It's not like
He
say
bailing out on me.
no.
Man.
My belly hurt me.
What?
My belly hurt me and it's like me eat something. You know when I eat curry and I eat ice cream, so it's like me can't still. Me can't left first. Me can't left from the bathroom. Yes, sir, brother.
Why have your girl been feeding you, man?
Believe me, sir. No, that man. It's like she won't tell me not to eat the ice cream with the curry goat and me eat it. Cause remember say which day I thought about say one curry goat and you know what I mean. So it did kind of mash up, brother.
What?
So me not really. Me sorry for disappointed that we are still. Cause
Oh, man.
I know say soon cut away and thing, but.
And I had the whole day planned
Oh
out.
no man, me too brother, me too. Belly not work right. Now work.
You were all dressed up and all, man.
That me I tell you, me dress up and me ready, me I tell you. Cause I say I run we are doing, you know what I mean, show you some little spots and so forth. Brother, me sorry man, but
Now what am I supposed to do? Oh, damn. Man, you need to get that sorted out or something, bro.
yeah man, I'm tell you, I can't live further than yes, brother. Believe me. They always find you, cause me know you me want to call you, but me see you forward in a message, jeez and pity must. Because me can't, you know what I mean, disappoint you.
Hey, what?
Wait.
Don't even sweat it, bro.
Link up Chelsea. Chelsea's supposed to down our place and now start out something and yeah man, one nice location too.
Sis is that side?
Sis down on the grid right now. So you can just find a way, call her, she will make you know how to reach down there. Because I must have make her broke down, you know, so I can't fix up here. You know. So I see him taxi over
Probably could link six up.
yeah man, link up sister man. Cause I guess I know. As me say, she will show you a good time to see me. You know sister know a place.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
At least it ain't a total waste of the day. Oh man. Bro, I think you need to do something. Oh. Man. Why you been eating, bro?
No, what brother? No, well you're right. Yo, let's go on your thing man. It's alright, yeah man.
Yeah, bro.
So let's link up sis, yeah?
I'm gonna do that. Alright.
I'm gonna tell her to be a woman. She not just relax herself.
So how much money? 2 grand? Oh. This tastes really good. This is really nice. Like, I wish I could bring back a few of these home with me. Man. Yeah. Who's this? Hello? How you doing? Man, I did say I was gonna call you back. Yep, I did. But still though, it's not that serious for you to be always calling my phone, bro. You're always calling me. Like, I know I got some stuff to deal with. I know I had the funds for you, but just bill, yo. You call me like every day. You stressing me. That's not necessary, bro. I'm trying to just clear my head. I'm trying to just get stuff sorted out, and I'm gonna get back to you. Hold up, I got a question. Is this like a life sentence or something? Why you be all up in my grill though, bro? Look, I told you I needed some time. I needed some time away. I needed some space. Like, you be calling me, my girl be calling me. Y'all not giving me no time to think, yo. I've been doing this for years. I know what I'm doing. But you have benefited. I have benefited, no doubt. And I'm grateful. Don't think I'm not grateful. But bro, you stressing me. Like I said, I need some time. Just give me some time. No, you are not understanding. It's my life, though. I determine what I do with it. You can't dictate to me like when you want me to do stuff for you. No. Look, you see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You not listening. Look, hear what? You know what? That's it. That's the last straw right there. Do whatever you want to do. Yep. Exactly that. Do whatever it is that you want to do. I'm out. I'm done. I am done. I don't need to think it over. I'm just done. I'm done. Damn, man. Yo, I said I'm done. Please, just let me be, though. Let me be. Don't call me, man. Don't call me. Damn.
Hello? You hear me? No, the wind a blow. So me I wonder if you hear me good because you hear me, I hear you. Okay. I miss your call. No, me not idiot. Me know so me owe you some money for the land. No, me not idiot. Me know so important. Your mother, me no want police involved in it. Me go get some money, man. As soon as me get some money, me give you, because me no want to lose the land. God know. Me I love me house money and everything already and my business place. No. Me know. Nobody give me no notice. Just give me some more time, because me not telling no lie. Right now, my mother would have turned in her grave if she hears that we lose that the land there. Me will give you some money, Panny man. Me know a family land and me no want. No, me no want to go down in another part there. As soon as me get the money, alright, guess what? Somebody there on the phone and call me. When me did talk about some money, So me must hear what them say about it. Yeah, if I not me get back to you, because I don't want to lose the land. Alright, yeah, thanks. Yeah man, thank you for your time. Antoine! Come here, come
This
here.
place is beautiful, sis. Like, oh my God, this is crazy. Yo, this place is magnificent. I love it. I love it.
Antoine,
Oh my God, this is paradise.
come here, my brother. I don't have family stand up on the phone and talk to somebody about something important.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
Me a carry down to make you get like the cool breeze.
Oh man.
It's nice. Wait there. Nobody take no picture.
This
Come
is
here.
beautiful.
Yeah, man, it's beautiful. Me a talk to you. Wait, you soon look funny. Hold on there. Me have something very important. They deal with right now at this specific moment. Please, me I beg you. You
Hold
see
up.
me? No,
I
no,
got
no.
something I want to talk to you about
No,
as
no,
well
no, no.
too.
Hold on. You soon talk to me about it. Guess what?
It's kind of important.
No, me know say important, but me not tell you no lie that one is important more than that. All when me not hear our way, this is serious. The money when me did ask you for, would you mind you give me right now? Me want it. Me never want to talk, you know, because some of my family then chat too much.
You can talk to me, sis.
Yes,
You can
they
talk.
chat too much. And when me tell them my business, then go tell other people.
Well, you
And
don't
say
have
other
to.
people tell them. Like them I tell. But me trust you because you're my brother. Me glad you come, God know. This is very important, you know, bro. And me don't want you to tell nobody. Not even Bobby. You hear what me say? All of you know already. Still not say to him.
My lips are sealed, sis.
Seal up it. Anyway. You see the land where you see me pan? Me owe some serious money pan it.
Hold up.
Judgmental
Our family
money.
house?
Over there. Judgmental money. You know what judgmental money mean? Prison work.
Oh my God.
Dead horse.
What are you saying? We
That
don't
means
own this?
No. Me owe some whole heap of money pan it with one heap of zero at the end. Me not even know how much that they but them say they won't give me notice. Anyhow me not care a certain amount of money go give them. Then say even if me not have the whole of it, care one good amount go give them and make me sign say that the amount me give them and then them go tell me when me figure the rest. So do. God knows say God send you here. Please. Give me it, make me go give them it because I don't want to lose it.
We can't afford to lose mom's house. Like,
No, I don't want to lose it.
God,
I don't want to lose it.
that's-
She that
oh
hey,
my
you know
God.
how she love that the place there already and she love her house. Because her hard sweat she use and build the house. So she, if me ever lose it, she turn in her grave and turn and ball all when she gone. So please me I beg you, my brother. Thank you, Jesus, my brother come from foreign. Me
I'm a-
glad.
Sis,
Me case, I will never give me money.
I'm gonna do my best, sister. We family. I got you. And we are gonna figure it out. So we gonna sort it out, okay? We gonna sort it out. I promise you.
Anyway. So like how you are going to start out and give me the money? Where you going to tell me say no? You can't tell me no, you know.
Never mind, sis.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
That's all right. That's all right. So
Thank you
I
very
just
much.
need you to go take care of that thing because it's like grave importance. We need to
Yeah.
get that sorted out.
So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to pay the person now for the land. And then I come back and tell you how much money I have left for it.
There's no need for that, sis. You do what you gotta do, and everything is good.
Oh, I have to tell you how much.
It's all
Alright,
good,
alright.
sis.
Later.
All right,
So where
sis.
you going now?
I'm here. I'm on vacation. What do you mean?
Alright, later then. Later.
Okay, sis.
Yo, come in there, come in.
Good day. I'm
Yes.
only make care come, sir.
Put it there, sir. Everything in there?
No. He shot at 150,000.
Wait, say what?
Just 150,000 a 1.6 that.
Look here, man. You're not, look here. You're taking this thing for not for food.
No, you're not no fool, but me never have it at the time when you was asking me for it. So now I get it, I try to come and deliver it.
Listen, me, man.
Please, sir.
money not nice when they collect piece, you know.
Me know.
So why you give it me like that?
Because me not have the 150 if you put money, that's why you get it so.
So what am I supposed to do now? Tell me now.
Me ask if you lenient for me, just take it in
I've
consideration.
been lenient on you from ever since. What happened?
Just take it in consideration and just look on it, say me not have it right now, but as soon as me get it, me go come give you it.
That's what you've been saying all the time. What happened now?
But this I prove for sure, say, if me give you so much, that means the rest will left and nothing, me can carry come give you as soon as me get it, sir.
Jesus Christ, boy, I don't know. Mommy, you people, I'm tired down, man. When time people rent or lease or anything or do any business, you don't know. Only carry the money piece. It looks around the business like that. I need all of the money.
Jack Sparrow, I can talk to you a little bit. You know, say Jamaica is very hard. It's hard, and if you know me go through to get this money, if you care, come give you.
Listen to me. Boy, your mother was such a good woman. God bless her soul. But when I used to deal with her, I never had these problems. What happened?
I borrow this money to come and give to you. Borrow it. Because me no want you give me no notice and take back the land. Because I know my mother would have vexed. So me make sure say me borrow the money if you come give you, sir.
Anyway.
I just 150,000 me way.
You saying just, but listen, let me ask you a question. So when can I expect the rest then?
As soon as me get it, you will get it.
Are you sure on that? Because next time it not go so pretty.
But in a real life, it's true. If me got it at that time, you can't get it. If you not have it, you not go get it.
All right. I will settle for that. But anyway, I'm going to count and make sure everything is in there.
It's in there.
All right. And I will call you. All right? Is that okay?
Yes, but I go and you give me one receipt after you look on you, so when I see you back again.
Not a problem.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Jesus, please, boy, I tell you, man. I'm proud to run out of business.
Oh, fine.
Girl, I waited there.
This couple for I check to somebody, man. Oh, yes,
me I wait for you. Girl, you see my brother want me to tell you about?
Yes,
Hey.
talk to me nice, no?
Girl, when you say M
Hey,
and the Y out at the end, don't say the letter them in the middle. You know why be don't.
Money. That's so.
My brother rich.
So we can't go on, you know.
Girl.
You tell me about your brother
No
money,
man,
right?
just listen, man. Just listen. Me have to tell about the money part first. Cause money
Alright.
we say.
Money we
And
say.
my brother, you know, say me not telling life. When he come to Jamaica, he never buy me a bag juice.
You never in a bag? That is a sweetie.
Me all owe money for land. And me ask him for he no give me.
So what kind of boy that they are?
You
So wait
want me, I
then,
don't know.
if he mean to own a
No,
sister,
no go so
mean to
far.
me.
You idiot. Me set him up enough girl already and then get enough money off of him.
Alright.
Since he come, you won't be
Yes,
the
show me that look
first.
tree bad.
Girl, you see the last girl when I set up on him? You know what kind of vehicle she buy?
What?
Lamborghini. My brother rich. You
So
know,
wait, I can't go drive a Rolls Royce then.
what you mean? You know who my brother used to work with when he was overseas?
Who?
Bin Laden.
Bin Laden.
Saddam Hussein.
Hey!
Donald Trump.
Jesus Christ.
I'm blind.
But in the for money, man.
What? Not tell nobody. But you see, when he come down here, he dress simply in a some little ordinary
So wait
jersey and then sitting there like say.
So the rich then.
When me say, you're your friend.
Me have to get him yet, I know say me rich
you
already.
mean, girl?
How me step to a boy and put into lyrics and you know everything done there, so you know. Never say 40, left you at
Money we say.
39.
What you know? You're your friend.
Yeah.
So me I line you up on me, brother.
And you don't know, see,
So
you
you
get a
see,
piece
any
of food.
time at that, me go figure tell her. That's why me and you have to link straight through.
Right, that's so.
Every money we give you,
Yeah.
half of me and half of you. What you say?
Right, that's so.
All right, deal or no deal?
Deal, of
What you mean,
course.
card? Yo. every
Chop a
girl
food
when me-
off a boy right
you
now.
go be the fourth girl. Every girl when me set up on him, left with a vehicle and a big house right
Yeah,
now.
look, you say a vehicle then left more house, more land, more
He
car,
have
more
money, but he
everything.
not give me none. You don't know some family, they
Who me?
mean to them family.
I
but-
want a place me can farm pan. You know all them something there? More one garbage truck, more one everything.
What you mean? What do? Just when time me carry you go meet him,
Yeah.
act like you don't hear nothing about him.
Alright.
Act like at the first, you go hear something about him when
You know,
him
so
a
me
tell
can't
you
go
and when
act
you
like I know gold
introduce.
digger now because we find out.
Girl,
If you act like a gold digger.
if you ask so, me not deal with you again.
But we not gonna ask you.
Listen to me now, Brittany.
Alright.
You see my brother Antoine? Money. Him born in a money. You see, in a we mother home, I did one money garden. But him get all of the blessing
So,
and the luck. You see, my next brother when named Bobby, him a criminal, a thief that.
So yeah, what?
Me a good girl and you know him from long
Yeah,
time.
you're ordinary, man. You're ordinary, you.
But I'm kidding about me. You know me long time.
Come on, man. Stop going so.
Me know
so
so me
you're
a
really,
friend.
know.
Me a friend for a long
So
time.
we
Girl.
take me up on the man.
All
Today
right.
away.
Right now.
Right now, come on, Rich. Today.
Wait. Me go give him a call. No call him. And tell him to come link me at XYZ place.
Alright then. Call him then. We can't wait right now.
Not too much rush.
Right now, me not hear.
Antoine in here about it.
Yo, me hear about money.
Do like
Hey,
you not hear about
when me
it
hear
in
about money, nobody jiggy, you know. Hey, come now, man. Stop.
money. Money we say money.
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 Money we say
Money.
money. Money.
Come on, man.
Money.
Money.
Talk truth. No say no.
Me not say nothing. Call him, man. What if we start ringing to that one?
Bro, I'm really sorry, sir. I don't really have much time to feel like that, but I'm tell you the situation. But how yesterday when you go? Everything all right? How was it?
It was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Sorry, man. I tell you, yo, I true.
Don't sweat it, man.
Belly business in our work out.
I learned some stuff today that I wouldn't have known otherwise. So maybe it was just a good thing in disguise.
Yeah, but you went to Chelsea though, right?
Oh yeah, I did. That's what I'm saying. Like we bonded and I did learn some stuff.
I should make your money yesterday again, not true?
Let's not talk about that. What about your thing though?
Yeah, man, come here, say nothing work out when because if you yesterday want to talk to you about it, but me say you went kind of, busy and you move so fast because me tell you I couldn't forward. I wonder if that's the reason why you don't really talk to me about the business. Come on, buy the vaccine bus them, you know.
No, my guy.
Brother, I call him, alright, I call the Autopass place and select everything. And the man take me for fool now because me not forward with the funds. And me ask him, say, yo, I'm a brother, I go deal with that. The man say, yo, so if your brother deal with it, where your brother then? You know what I mean?
Just let's chill out and let's set this right. When do you want us to go in and
Today.
actually sort it out?
Today.
You want us to do that today?
Today. You can't go on today?
Yeah.
I'm going to do today then, man.
Okay. So,
I'm tell Jessica, say, Jessica, we soon come, yeah?
so we going right now?
Yeah, we can't forward now, man.
Like right now?
Like right. Oh, so how many?
Hold up.
I walk out. I'm not Chelsea.
Sis. Yup, this is sis. Hey sis, what's up?
Antoine. What going?
Becky.
Have a girl beside me. She well want to meet you.
Hold up, what? You got a girl for me? Sis, we gonna do this again like the last 4 girls were crazy.
She the right on my foot. Me care her, come for you, come meet her. Good girl, nice, sexy, pretty girl. You know me not give you no idiot and I know no gold digger this.
They just wanted stuff like, damn. Sis, we don't want to do this again. And yeah, you told me the last time that that one was beautiful, that one had more of this and had more of that. It's just the same thing.
I don't know gold digger this, a good girl man. Real girl, down to earth, trustworthy, honest girl this year. So girl and name me out like you rest them. Me sorry so me did make you meet them girl there.
Oh my God.
My brother, a nice, cute boy. Anyway, guess what? Me not tell him say I have money, so when I come, don't bother face and me tell her so. She not know. Alright, Yeah. So you go come? Or you gonna niggle with dirty Bobby? Me can't take Bobby style.
No, actually, I'm here with Bobby.
Oh, no, but I go.
I'm just checking up on Bobby because remember yesterday he had to run in the diarrhea thing, and so I'm just checking in on him. Oh, I didn't tell you? I'm sorry, my bad. Yeah, he had diarrhea yesterday. Yeah, it was all messy. It's your sister, come on. Yeah, so, I mean...
He name too much. When say name they know? When say name figure him running belly? That dirty boy they name too much. That's why I don't like him over me yard. Remember me always tell her saying come over me yard, cook me food, name out me things them and don't wash me plate them. Some dirty plate and dirty pot go cooking and make him belly run. I good. He can't turn over my yard because he don't know the whole of me tissue.
Come on, we talking like two grown adults right now. Chill. Hold up, what?
Alright, so like how no number that go and niggle then.
Go to that for sure, what now?
No, we was supposed to go to Nick Grill, but he's still under the weather. So we just chilling right now.
Me and the girl I go come down there.
Okay, like... Alright. Okay, this is the last one though. Yes, you can bring her. Yes, you can come. Yes, bring her to the house.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can bring her. She can bring her.
Bring who?
She says she has this new chick that she wants me to meet.
Are your things still? I'm gonna kill your dream. Like, as we done that, we go straight at the vaccine place.
All right.
See?
All right. Okay, so yeah, you can come. Okay. Okay, all right. We here. Okay, cool.
Me I come on later. Alright. Girl.
It a walk?
It a walk. It have to walk. I'm
Come
gonna
on,
put down
then,
the
man.
number that turn no idiot, you know.
How much idiot?
Oh,
Where you take me for?
Come on.
What's your father right now?
Yeah, she's coming with
I'll bring somebody.
this chick. I think her name is Brittany. Yeah.
Tell her name already and then sit there.
I
You meet
guess.
her before?
No, this is another blind date. Like this shit. This is the 5th one.
So, okay.
This is like the 5th.
Well, I get busy, man. I don't want to say I get busy.
I'm not like no,
Eh?
it's nope.
So
I've been disappointed every time.
Disappointed. Well,
I've been disappointed.
Some of them just want money, you know.
Not some.
All of them.
All of them. They're all about the money, bro. You had this one. She checked me, and immediately as she said hi, her gas, her light, and water went out.
Sure. Yeah, man. I feel
I'm
them
like,
style
what the
sometimes.
hell, though?
Very rough. But if them rated, though, you know, them not do them something, you know, then we all dead hungry and apply in a certain way.
Nah,
Yeah, man.
I don't know
That's some
about that.
serious.
I don't know about these
Guys,
girls.
it's in my Jessica Yassa right now. First time I meet her, she never really asking for no money. Hold on, see them here. How kind of bright green sitting she walking now? Charles are coming. Watch her.
Oh, but the girl look good though.
Huh?
The girl look good though.
Oh, you mean? A nice girl, man.
Yeah,
You know, a
she
long
looks
time, man.
nice.
Sarah?
You know the girl?
Yeah, man.
Really?
A Chelsea friend.
She looks good though.
Hey bro.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, Chelsea.
We are calling you. You see you?
Hi.
Bobby. What happened?
How you doing?
Brittany!
Fine. Hi.
Oh, go on.
I'm here.
Anyway. Brittany, this is Antoine, my brother that I told you about. Good brother.
Hi, pleased to meet you.
So, Antoine, Brittany, Antoine. See my next dirty brother over there, so you name
Oh, she
Bobby.
know married, it's alright. Me come go in and go chat.
You know him long time?
Yo,
I'm a brother.
Alright, no problem, bro.
Hey, Brittany, so guess what? Don't diss my brother. If my brother end up agree, make sure you take care of my brother good. Because he's a very nice person. You hear me? Okay, so
Blushing and stuff.
I can't talk. Or you want me excuse you or go excuse me? Which one?
I don't know, Bobby here conversation.
Oh,
You take it around this one.
All right. You can't hold in and you know, by people. I'm a cute, good brother. Eh?
So, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. Well, to tell the honest truth, from my step in the yard, I just admire them beard, they're very beautiful. And this color fits you. I'm not gonna lie.
It does?
It
It actually matches your hair.
Oh my god. You know somebody there?
It does. It matches
Me
your hair.
there really makes fun that. So how things, how life?
I'm just here on vacation. It's been interesting to say the least, to be honest. Very
Okay.
interesting.
So,
I've met some very, very interesting persons since I've been here.
well, since I get to know me, you're going to see me an interesting person also.
Are you?
I am.
What is it about you that's different?
Well, I'm the type of girl that don't run down vanity and those stuff. Just simple.
You are?
I am.
You have a beautiful smile though.
Thank you.
I like your energy so far. I do.
Like yours.
It seems like we could get along. You don't give me that little thing that all of my other girls that came through.
Oh, I understand.
Yeah. You seem good. We should go out.
When? Though.
I mean, it's all up to you because I'm free. Like I'm on vacation. So
Well, I'm
good.
free also.
You're free? All right,
100%.
So we should do something tonight then.
Okay, sure. So, want to exchange numbers?
For sure.
Nice to meet
Where can you put that? There we
There
go.
you go.
Okay.
All right. So,
I'm locked.
can you hit me up at 7 or 8 or 7:30
I'll do
tonight?
just that.
Huh?
I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Okay.
Where you there, so? Where you sitting from the veranda for? Comfortable like say you belong over here, so. After you run me from your dirty yard. Where they gone? Eh? You know so me in a plan piece, you come cap y'all come on my place, you know, Jessica no like. Jessica head no dip on her body already. Eh? What you do that for? You mean say what?
How are you want war me?
Me don't want war you.
So you come talk about when me and do your yard?
Yeah, but you come stung from friend like some of your friend. Last
So
time,
you can't take me from company?
the last time I stung on your step, you kick me off and throw water upon me. Me no dep on that right now, so what you need to do is just take a time and go out there, so.
Father God, you say if you're not
Right,
busy, come down here so come help me please.
Right,
because
sir.
you see that dirty boy we come on me yard, come near me much time and left me plate them and me pat them dirty and don't wash them out, I can't try style me. You know what? Let me come off for your veranda.
Yeah, come off for
And
veranda.
I don't want me if you have nothing. You hear me I tell you?
Yo, me no want
You're not going to come back on me yard
Me
again.
no want to hear
Before they
you.
kill each
So
other.
you're not going to come back
Just
on.
relax. This.
You're not going to come back on me yard again.
Them a come. Tapping eyes. You love fight too much. Right. Well gone.
You guys good?
You're good, man. Fix this time.
Sure?
I love her.
Always fighting.
Yeah, man. It's a good man. Just when I go down. This one. I like this one.
Okay.
Happy, brother? You good? Love what going on, man. Yeah, man. So, look like you're busy, you know. I left you at it, you know. You know what I mean? Walk her out, man. Take your time and enjoy it. Take your time and enjoy your time. Brittany, take care of my brother, you know. See? All right. One, no, gone and out of my yard. Left the place alone. I just want to see we fighting. Move first, man.
Thank God to Antoine there, you hear me? Remember me where you bust up
Go
face.
watch them and make sure them alright. Bust up face, so. That jump higher, who you want in your back.